Unit 4. What, this, that.
What is this?
This is a chair.
What is that?
That's a clock. What are these?
They are bananas.
What are those?
They're grapes.
Grammar tips.
We'll talk about tips for what you just listened to. Tips for this, that, these, those. This is used to talk about something that is nearby. These is the plural of this. That is used to talk about something that is far away. Those is the plural of that. We use this, that, plus is. These, those, plus are.
Examples.
Let's take a look at some examples. This is a vase, and that is a wall. The vase is nearby. This is. The wall is far away. That is. Is this a desk? Yes, it is. These are bags, and those are sweaters. The bags are nearby. These. The sweaters are far away. Those. Are those chairs? Yes, they are.
Right and wrong.
Now let's look at the right and wrong section. The first one says, these is hats. These is plural. We use are with these. These are hats. The next one. This is books. Books is plural. We use these are with plural. These are books. Are this a taxi? This is one. We use is with the word this. Is this a taxi?
Grammar tips.
Let's take a look at tips for using what. When we want to ask about animals or things, we use the word what. What comes before be verbs. When someone asks the question, what is, we start the answer by using it's. When someone asks a question using what are, we start the answer using their.
Examples.
Now let's take a look at some examples. What is this? It's a cup. The sentence starts with it's. What is that? It's an umbrella. When you ask the question, what is? The answer starts with it's. What are these? They are trees. What are is the question. They are starts the answer. What are those? They are buses.
Right and wrong.
Now let's look at the right and wrong section. What is these? These is plural, so we use are with these. What are these? The next one. What these? When we use the word what, we need a be verb. These is plural, so we use the be verb are. What are these?
Ask and answer.
Ask and answer. What's this? Apple. It's an apple. What's that? We're talking about a school. The answer is, it's a school. That is talking about one thing, so we use it's. What are those? Here we are using desks. The answer is, they're desks. Those means more than one, so we use they are.
Quiz.
Circle the right word. Look at the arrow for the answer. This, that is a car. The arrow points to far away. We use that when talking about something far away. The answer is, that is a car. These, those are cameras. The arrow shows nearby. We use these when talking about things nearby. These are cameras. What is this, that? The arrow shows something far away. We use that when talking about something far away. What is that? These, those are not rabbits. The arrow shows nearby. These, talks about things nearby. These are not rabbits. What is this, that? The arrow shows something nearby. What is this? What are these, those? The arrow shows things nearby. These talks about things nearby. What are these?
Quiz.
In the next part, we will change the singular sentence to plural. For example, this box is empty. It becomes, these boxes are empty. That pencil is new. The plural of that is those. Pencil becomes pencils. Is becomes are. The sentence is, those pencils are new. For the next part, we will find the mistake and correct it. This is a spoons. This is wrong. For spoons, take off the S because this means singular. The answer could be, this is a spoon. What are this? I will change it to singular. So I will change the are. My sentence is, what is this? Those are potatoes. Those means plural. Potatoes is plural. So we do not use a. My sentence will be, those are potatoes. These is not a cup. These means plural. Is not a cup is singular. I will change the sentence to, this is not a cup. Make a sentence using the words below. The first letter should be a capital. I, Sam, am. The sentence should be, I am Sam. Is a dog this? The sentence should be, this is a dog. Puppies, these are. The sentence is, these are puppies. What that is. It's a question. What is that? It is a cat. It should be, it is a cat. are kittens those? The sentence is, those are kittens.